I visited my sister the other day and oh my god, her house was terrible. I'm telling you, there was a sock doing acrobatics in the living room. It was like so crazy. So I sat down and I'm like, why is this house such a mess? So I took the time to look at all the kids. They were just like throwing things around. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna create something here. So I created the Chore Rewards Adventure. Da-da-da! So picture this. Her 11-year-old girl, Soraya, decided just to pass a vacuum so she get $3. She did the whole house for $3. And then her son, Xavier, he was so excited. He's like, oh, me, I'm gonna go and bring the trash out. And then he realized that it wasn't trash day. So he's like, okay, I'm also gonna clean the bathrooms. And then he got $2 for that. So it was amazing. My sister was like, wow, what happened here? So that's why I created this and I wanted to share it with everybody. Go through the link below and download it. And it's really easy. Kids, they write their chores and then they're excited to do it and they can get real money, they can get points, or they can get the super cool little soul dollars that were created. So are you ready to turn chores into a corporation? Just joking. But seriously, check it out. It's really amazing. Have fun!